Good morning students, welcome to e-learning class of computer science. Today we will start lesson number 5, list and tables in HTML5. Let's start with what is HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is most commonly used language for writing a web page using ordinary text. To create a web page, you must write the code in a notepad and save it with an extension .html. Then you can open the file using a browser like Chrome to view the web page. How to write the program in HTML? HTML में प्रोग्राम को कैसे टाइप करना है? Step 1. Open the notepad and type the text. Save the file with any name with extension .html. आपकी फाइल सेव हो जाएगी। अब उस फाइल को आप किसी भी ब्राउज़र में ओपन कर लीजिए बाय डबल क्लिक। तो इस तरह से आपका एक वेब पेज बन जाता है जिसको आप ब्राउज़र में ओपन करते हो। Now, using list in HTML, lists are a part of everyday life. When we want to use a list on a web page, HTML provides 3 different types of list. First is unordered list, second is ordered list, third is description list. जब हमने अपने डाटा को सॉर्ट करना है तब हम यूज़ करते हैं ऑर्डर लिस्ट। जब हमने अपने डाटा को सॉर्ट नहीं करना होता, रैंडमली डाटा शो करना होता है, देन वी हैव टू यूज़ अनऑर्डर लिस्ट. लिस्ट आइटम LI tag. Each item within an order or unordered list is written using the list item element in angle bracket LI before it. It is an empty tag and does not need any ending tag. Unordered list UL tag. Unordered list can be created using the UL tag. These lists have a bullet before the list items. The items are displayed in the order that they are written. The UL tag is a container tag and the list ends with UL tag with /. Attributes of unordered list. There are 3 types of bullet: circle, square and disk. The default bullet is the disk. The type attribute is used to specify which type of bullet you want to use. It is used inside the UL tag. अगर हम अपनी अनऑर्डर लिस्ट में टेक्स्ट से पहले कोई बुलेट लगाना चाहते हैं तब हम UL टैग एलिमेंट का यूज़ करते हैं। ऑर्डर लिस्ट OL टैग. Order list work in a similar way as unordered list, but in this case the list is numbered. Every item has a number before it and therefore the order of the items matters. Each list item has the LI tag before it. By default, the browser adds a number before each item starting from 1. You can change the type of numbering. Attributes of the order list are 1, small a, capital A, Roman counting 1, alphabets. There are 5 different types of lists spotted in HTML. Start attribute specify the starting value of the list. An order list start with number 1 by default, but you can also start the list with a different number with this attribute. The list will start from 5 onwards. If your type has been specified as A, then the list will start from E. Reversed attribute. This attribute specifies whether the list order should be ascending or descending. Students, hope you all have understood. Thank you.